Hi besties! Who says you need an expensive turntable to decorate a cake? Today, I will be showing you how I use this Lactogen container as my turntable and still achieved a beautiful result. Let me tell you the story behind this cake. So on this particular day, I was away from home when a customer placed an order for a cake. Since I was not at home, I asked my sister to help me pack my cake tools and materials so I can work on the order. When I got ready to bake, I discovered that my cake pans were not there. I searched everywhere, but unfortunately, my sister has forgotten to pack them. At first, I felt a little disappointed because the cake was supposed to be round. But since I had a customer waiting, I couldn't let that stop me. I had to make do with what I have available at that moment. So I found a plate and used it for baking instead. That's why the cake didn't come out perfectly round. After baking, I faced another challenge. I didn't have my turntable either. So once again, I looked around for an alternative and found this Lactogen container. I decided to use it as a makeshift turntable, and honestly, it worked better than I expected. This cake reminds me that sometimes things don't go according to plan. Creativity and determination, you can still get the job done. As a cake decorator, there will be days when things don't work out exactly the way we expect. You may not have all the tools you need, or something may go wrong along the way. But instead of giving up, learn to work with what you have and make the best of the situation. That's what happened. So enjoy watching the rest of the video. Look at this cake. I'm actually proud of how it turned out. What started as a challenge became a reminder that great results don't always come from having the perfect tools. Sometimes they come from being resourceful and trusting your skills. So if you're a beginner cake decorator or you're struggling with limited equipment, don't let that stop you. Start where you are. Use what you have and keep practicing. Every challenge is an opportunity to learn something new. Thanks for watching.